Welcome, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIAVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal and International Morning Shift. My dear students, I am going to take a mathematics class for the student of class 7. Today our lecture number is 22 and you have the homework. Your homework number is 14. We will discuss today in chapter 9 theorem 1. Okay, theorem 1 we will discuss today from the chapter 9. It's our topic. Now my dear students, the theorem 1 states that the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to two right angles. This is our statement of the theorem. Okay, first of all we will write down the general enunciation. Okay, solution. At first we will write down general enunciation. Okay, general enunciation. General enunciation is what? General enunciation is nothing but the questions need to write down. That means we will write down, we need to prove that the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to two right angles. We'll write down what? We'll prove that, need to prove that. We'll write down need to prove that. Need to prove that what? The sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to two right angles. It is our general enunciation. Okay, my dear students. Now, after general enunciation, we will draw the figure and we will write down after that the particular enunciation. Our figure will be this one. Okay, this is a triangle. We need to prove that in a triangle ABC, we need to prove that these three angles sum will be two right angle. Okay, now I will write down the particular enunciation here. Okay, here will be write down after the figure we will write down particular enunciation, my dear students. Particular enunciation. The particular enunciation will be what? Will about the brief of this question. That means brief about the statement. What we'll write down? Suppose ABC be a triangle. ABC be a triangle. From this figure, ABC be a triangle. We need to prove that. Write down need to prove that. Need to prove that or required to prove that. Any problem? Need to prove that. Need to prove that what? Need to prove that angle ABC, angle BAC first, BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to two right angle. Okay, two right angles. From the figure we can write down ABC is a triangle and we need to prove that what? BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB. That means this triangle, this angle plus this angle, that's equal to two right angle. We need to prove that. Okay, now construction. We'll construct with this figure. Okay, in this figure we need to construct something. This is the point C. Okay, now we will extend BC line up to D. We will extend BC line up to D and we will draw the parallel line of BA in the point C. That means we will write down CE. Suppose CE is the parallel line of BA. We need to draw these two lines. That means we need to extend BC up to D and we need to draw the parallel line CE of BA. Okay, now write it down in the construction that extend extend BC up to the point D and draw a parallel line, CE of the line which one? Of the line AB, okay? Of the line, sorry, it's BA, okay? That means we'll draw what? We'll extend the BC line up to D and we draw CE, the parallel line of BA, okay? Now we will prove this one. The proof is so easy, my dear students. It's so easy proof. Now look, first of all we will show that the angle A, that means the angle BAC, that's equal to angle ACE. How we can show that? Look, suppose this is the angle 1, this is also the angle 1. How we can show that these two angles are equal? First of all, look, BA and CE are parallel to each other, right? Write down BA parallel to CE. Okay, this is the parallel sign. BA is parallel to CE and the line AC and AC is the transversal. Okay, I write down here BA and CE is parallel to each other and AC is the transversal. My dear students, then what can we write down? We can write down BAC. Therefore, the angle BAC, that's equal to the angle ACE. Why? Because the alternate angles are equal. You should write down alternate angles are equal. Okay, that is why you can write down, because these two lines are parallel to each other and AC is the transversal. So we can say that the alternate angles and the corresponding angles are equal. These two angles are alternate angle to each other, so these two angles are equal. Okay, and again now we can write down again the BA line is parallel to CE line. Okay, for these two angle, that means the angle B and the angle C in the outer side, that means the angle ABC and the angle CED is equal. We are going to prove this one. Okay, for this we will write down BA and CE is parallel to each other and BD is the transversal. Okay, and BD is the transversal. BD is the transversal. Then we can write down what? Then you can write down, therefore, the angle ABC, that's equal to the angle ECD, because of what? Because we know that if the two lines are parallel to each other and there is a transversal, then the corresponding angles and the alternate angles are equal. These two angles, the angle ABC and the angle ECD is the corresponding angles to each other. So it should write down these two angles are equal. And note it down, it should be written down corresponding angles are equal. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. Now we have got it that BAC angle equal to ACE angle and also angle ABC equal to angle ECD. So if we add these two equations, what should we get? We get what? The angle the angle BAC plus angle ABC. By adding these two equations, we get the angle BAC plus the angle ABC, that's equal to the angle ACE plus the angle ECD. Okay, implies that we can write down the angle BAC plus the angle ABC, that's equal to, look in the right side, ACE and ECD. In the figure, ACD plus angle ECD, that's equal to what? That's equal to angle ACD. Okay, So you can write down in the right side the angle ACD. Okay, because these two angles sum is nothing but the angle ACD. Now we will add in the both of this side of this equation the angle ACB, because we are going to prove that these three angles sum equal to two right angle. Already we have got these two angles BAC and ABC, and we need only the angle ACB in the left side. That is why we will add in the both side of this equation the angle ACB. Okay, by adding we will get angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB. That's equal to what? In the right side also we need to add this one ACD plus angle ACB. Okay, and we should write down the note by adding angle ACB in both sides. Okay, this is our note. Now my dear students, we will get what? Look, my dear students, therefore we can write down, therefore the angle BAC plus the angle ABC plus angle ACB, that's equal to what? In the right side we have the angle ACD plus angle ACB. Look at the figure, the angle ACD, this angle, plus angle ACB, this angle. These two angles sum will be a straight angle, and we know that the straight angle is nothing but 180 degree, and 180 degree equal to two right angle. So you can write down directly that's equal to two right angle. Two right angle, RIT, right angle. I think my dear students you have understood, and the proof is done. We need to prove this one, the three angles of a triangle is equal to two right angle. Okay, and my dear students, you have the homework also. You have homework number 14. Please mention your HW number in the left top corner of your HW copy, and your HW is theorem 1. That means this one I have already proved in the board. You should prove on your copy. My dear students, see you again inshallah in the next class with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.